What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas and today I'm going to talk to you pretty much what everyone's going to be talking to you about, and that is going to be Tesla's battery day. So if you're interested in my vision or my prediction for what Tesla's battery day is going to not only provide the stock but also provide the company, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before I shock and awe you, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to charge up into this video. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, since the split was announced, and really honestly since, after the split, I have been looking forward to this day just like any other investor, just like any Tesla owner. I mean, there truly is an excitement built up for Tesla's battery day. I mean, I could have told you when Tesla's battery day was months and months and months ago. I mean, obviously with the coronavirus there was an impact, but just the idea of what battery day provides. I mean, there is so much information that we learn behind the scenes of what this company's been working on. Some things that are brought to the limelight that we're like, oh my goodness. There's just a ton of that information. Plus, I think it's an all-around just cool experience probably for the people who have been able to experience what Tesla's battery day truly is about. I know last year, they had an actual Tesla on site and a guy was out there and some lightning bolts were hitting and all kinds of stuff. It was absolutely amazing. Then the Cybertruck. There's just so much that comes from this. Obviously, we've seen a window break that wasn't supposed to break. So who knows what's going to be, in light and what to expect from this battery day that's coming up. Obviously, it's probably going to be virtual due to the coronavirus, but still, I'm sure, Elon Musk has a card up his sleeve. That's for sure. First thing I'm going to provide you guys out the gate is going to be my personal opinion on the vision of this stock. And obviously, there is extreme volatility around this stock, especially with, there being a day between battery day, because battery day falls on Tuesday, so we have Monday to kind of see how the stock's going to fluctuate. And in my personal opinion, I think this thing's going to go in the upward direction. I think you're going to see a lot of people climb on board. I do feel you're going to have that initial sell-off maybe in the beginning because we had a decent run, but I do feel that as the day continues to progress on Monday, I do feel that Tesla is going to start making a run. I think a lot of people are in preparation for battery day, and so you're going to see a lot of people starting to get in. I still think Tesla is at a very reasonable price, and so even if these people were to get in and it may go in the opposite direction, they're still positioned very well even in the near future for Tesla. Obviously, we still have quarterly earnings coming up for them, and so there's just a lot more that is going to be provided on top of battery day that is expected Tuesday, September 22nd. And so my perfect comparison of this is with these mergers in the EV market, the likes of Hyliion, who is supposed to be merging, and the vote is supposed to be occurring here on September 28th. And then you got the merger of Lordstown Motors, leaving Diamond Peak Holding, and will be trading under its own ticker symbol. As of late, we've seen those runs that people are climbing on board in anticipation for those mergers. So I feel that you're going to start to see that same exact thing with Tesla. People are going to be anticipating that major run that is right around the corner for this company. What I provide you is the analyst expectations as far as price target points right before battery day, and I think that this is going to be very important because a lot of them are increasing their price targets due to battery day being here finally. So I'm going to swing over here and give you that information. So it says analysts gave shares of Tesla a price target boost this week. Leading up to battery day, Wedbush increased their price target from $380 to $475, Piper Jaffray from $480 to $515, Deutsche Bank from $300 to $400, and credit Tsla from $280 to $400. And so just to tell you, it says the company stock closed at $442.15 on Friday, and it is up 428% for the year. So, you know, it's gonna be a pretty interesting day to say the least. But like I said, I do feel that this stock is going to run. The major question is, well, what can we actually expect from Battery Day? You know, what kind of information are they can provide us? And I'm going to give you kind of just a quick overview of some of the things I've heard. Obviously, I think that there are going to be a lot of things that we haven't heard, because I think that Elon really likes and enjoys providing surprises. So some of the things I know that they're talking about are the Roadrunner project, which is going to be very, very cool. I know that they're talking about trying to release a potential 1 million mile battery, and I really hope that they do hit on the battery aspect. Even if it's not really a 1 million mile battery, it will be very, very interesting to just see the advancements that they've made, you know, in the battery field, because I know that they obviously deal a lot with Panasonic, and I know that the rumor is that Tesla really is trying to get away from third party, you know, as far as production and things like that. They want to really bring a lot of their materials in-house and start manufacturing a lot of their own stuff. So it's going to be very interesting to just even hear the information that they provide on the batteries. I know that I've heard that they've talked about potentially talking about an over-the-road tractor trailer. That would be very interesting, especially with the likes of Nikola, who has been very, very scrutinized as of late, but they've also had a partnership with GM. You know, obviously Hyliion is also on the verge of merging. The vote is going to occur on September 28th, and that's where the company will merge over and start trading as its own ticker symbol as HYLN. So I do feel that if Tesla announces a tractor trailer, it'll be very interesting to see the timeline from that. Obviously, we're going to hear probably an update on the factory that is being built in Austin, Texas, and obviously that thing is going up very quickly. So more information I would assume that we would hear from are some of the other plants that they have, like in Fremont, California, some of the things that they're going to be generating and providing. You know, obviously the Gigafactory that they're putting over in Germany, some of the things that, you know, they're talking about, just how they're going to start manufacturing cars and how they're going to revolutionize the idea of manufacturing cars. Elon's even come out and said, hey, we plan on revolutionizing the whole way of producing cars. So it'll be interesting to see what their plans are for that factory. Obviously, some of the information I would like to hear is what really the impact was from the Shanghai factory. I know a lot of analysts have now said that Tesla is back on pace to produce the 500,000 vehicles that they were scheduled to produce. But, you know, I would like to know, are they still a little bit behind due to the coronavirus? Has that Shanghai plant caught back up? Are they ahead of schedule? Just things like that. It would be very interesting to just hear some of the analytics and some of the numbers, you know, crunched in this event. Even though I know that we're really there for the whole aspect of unveiling and giving that information. But that's just some of the things that I've heard. Obviously, there's probably going to be a lot more. And Elon, obviously, like I said, has cards and tricks up his sleeve. He's very, very innovative and very creative, as you guys know. I mean, I don't have to tell you that. And he is very, very good on Twitter. So you should go give him a follow because it's very interesting. And I'm sure he might leak a little bit of information. I've come to my favorite part of any video, and that is chart breaking down time. And this one's going to be very special. And before we actually dive on into it, I'm going to let you know why. Because I really want to provide you guys numbers on where we currently sit before the news break, before the Battery Day actually happens, and before we have that day between Battery Day and where we start off, as in the Monday, the September 21st. So this is going to be a close as of Friday, you know, leading into the weekend. So Tesla opened on Friday at $447.94. Its high was $451 even, and its low was $428.89. Its volume was 86.41 million. Its market cap is $412 billion. Its 52-week high is 502.49. and its 52-week low is $43.67. Its average volume is 78.26 million. It closed out Friday at $442.15. That was a 4.42% run, and it continued up an additional 1.36% to close out the weekend, wrapping up at $448.15. Now this is a 1-day chart, and obviously, you know, with all that volume and just a lot of just volatility really leading into Battery Day, this is what I kind of expected. But as we continued to start getting closer towards the end of day Friday, the stock began to run, and it closed out at a decent share price before it really kind of just dipping off at the end of the day. Now, I just wanted to show you guys this chart because it's really going to be kind of an eye-opener to see how Monday goes, and then the opener on Tuesday before all the Battery Day information really just starts, you know, unveiling itself at the actual event. I'm excited for Battery Day, and I know a ton of you are. Obviously, there's a lot of YouTube videos that are going to go up about this because, I mean, there truly is. There's a lot of excitement about Battery Day. There's a lot of people that are heavily invested into Tesla, which there's no question. You know, I'm one of those that did everything we possibly could to get as many shares as I could on the split, after the split. You know, I believe in this company, so I'm excited. So I know exactly how you guys feel, and I know there's a ton of you out there that just want as much information as possible, and I'm the same way. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day. Let's go Battery Day!